Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Swati Verma and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this glittery glam look. Today's video is in collaboration with a brand called SHOPAAREL and I can't wait to show you all the products that I've received from them. Also how I created this glittery glam look by using SHOPAAREL products. Another thing, at the end of this video guys, I have a surprise for you. Which means of course a giveaway for my lovely followers.
Alright, so let's start the makeup, and I always like to clean my face so it's fresh before the makeup. And now I'm using this Ferrarucci Moisture lotion to add hydration to my face and massage it all over well. Now the next product, which is Skin Booster from Fashion Fever, it just makes the skin softer. So for the base, it is really amazing. Now I'm going to use the next product, which is from Fashion Fever again, Primer, the Perfect Base. What I like about it is silicone base and it just reduces the appearance of my pores.
So guys, I have received these 4 shades of SHOPAAREL and I'm going to swatch it on my face and see which one suits my skin the most, and we'll continue the look with the same. So I'm trying the shade 03 and it seems really light on my face. Let's try the next one, which is 04. And this also seems to be, first of all, too yellow and not really matching my skin color. Let's go with the next one, which is 05. Yes, this seems a little closer to me. Maybe 05. Let me try out the last shade, which is 06 that I have here. Because I can mix 2 shades and make it for me. This one seems to be really dark, but it actually does look like my skin, if I just want to balance it. So I guess I'm gonna go with the 06 color. Yeah, it does look good. Okay, so I have my shade here, which is 06. I'm going to continue with it. So I am taking the 06 shade from SHOPAAREL foundation and just taking 2 pumps. I guess I will need more. So we'll continue with the same.
What I like about this foundation, it's really soft and it still gives you that coverage you are looking for. I'm just going dab, 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 step by step all over my face and taking a little more amount if it's needed, so it's buildable, it's not so thick. I love this fact about this foundation.
And here's the next product from SHOPAAREL, which is a Z palette with 15 shades of concealers, correctors, cream highlighters and cream contours. I can't wait to use it because it looks super creamy, and well, as a makeup artist I can actually carry this one single palette and it's done.
And now I'll be correcting and concealing along with highlighting under my eyes. So I'm using a peachish tone concealer under my eyes for correction, which is for dark circles, pigmentation and all. And then using lighter shades of concealer, just mixing 2 of them and just balancing the color and making it lighter. So concealing plus highlighting is this part. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm just dabbing it all over. You see, I'm doing it really gently, so you have to do the same. Now is the time for my favorite step, to give a little more definition, sculpted face. Yes, so I'm using the same palette for contour, lighter brown shade. And you can see I did my nose contour, my cheek contours and the jawline. And just going to use a beauty blender, damp beauty blender, the same one which was used before. And just dab, 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 dab. So everything is blended properly.
I'll be using the Studio Compact Powder from SHOPAAREL and I've received 3 shades of it. I'm going to use the one which is lighter for the whole face and a darker for the contour.
So I'm putting the powder with the beauty blender which was used before all over my face to cover it, to lock the layer of foundation and the concealer. And now it's the darker shade of compact which I'm using as a contour, and it's pretty good because it gives coverage. At the same time it's so soft that it blends so easily. Here's the Fashion Fever highlighter number 1. I love this. It just gives a nice pinkish gold effect. And here it's a little bit different shade, which I also really like. I love the fact that it's so shiny. Oh my god, looks so fab. Alright, now let's start with the eyes, and I have got this eye base from Fashion Fever. It just makes the eyeshadow pop out more. Starting my eye makeup with this palette, which is called Better Than Chocolate, and building a very soft crease. That's the first step. Now I'm going heavier on the crease because I am gonna cut this crease, and for that I want a little more intensity. So you see I've just used the dark shades, and now using the same Z palette for the white color, and on top of that putting a little eyeshadow in a gold shade. I've also received these beautiful colors of the glitters from SHOPAAREL. These are the most beautiful colors I've ever seen, and I can't really wait to try these. I'm gonna mix 2 of these shades together and put it on my eyes with the help of an eye gel. So let's get started. Comes in such beautiful packaging, and once you open it, it has a protection so you don't really lose glitters. And once you open it, you get these beautiful shimmer out. So I've mixed the shade number 6 and 12, and I'm using this gel from Fashion Fever to stick the glitters on my eyes. So wherever I want the glitters, I'm just gonna put this gel. Time for the step that I love the most, which is putting glitters on the eyes. I'm using my finger to put the glitters, just dabbing it all over, and I like to use fingers because you can actually control the amount of glitters that you want to put. You can also use the brush like I'm using on the other eye, just dabbing it very slowly and using an eyeshadow brush, a normal regular eyeshadow brush. Just making sure it's under the crease, inside the socket. And that's all. Now blending my outer corners with the glitter so that it gives a nice transition effect and it looks beautiful. Now I'm using this extra long lasting liquid eyeliner from Ferrarucci, and I love wing liners. My love for the wing liners are crazy. Using this Ferrarucci eyebrow pencil, just making my eyebrows more defined, because with the whole makeup you really need to do it. And to give a little more definition, you can add the concealer underneath. And now using the other side of the eyebrow pencil, which is called Spoolie, to brush it up and balance it. Well, the next step is using the Scandalicious eyes. This pencil is from Ferrarucci, and just defining it under the eyes and now blending it to create another gradient look. Now is the time for my favorite contact lenses, which is in the shade Honey from Smoky Cosmetics. And let me finish the look by doing my lips. Last but not the least, I've also received these beautiful glosses from SHOPAAREL. Well, let me show you the swatches here. All are so pigmented, and oh my god, I am in love with these colors. All of them are wearable. Like, you know, you can wear it anytime. It's not like, you know, any extra color that you would not really wear it. But my favorite ones are like the first 2, and I'm gonna wear one of them. So let's do it, guys. So I'm wearing the color which is called 07. You know, I love nude shades, and this one is a perfect color. Wow. So let's talk about it now. What are you gonna win in the giveaway? Well, 1 foundation, 1 powder, 3 glitters, 3 glosses, 1 Z palette from SHOPAAREL, and a few more products from Ferrarucci and Fashion Fever. Oh my god, that's amazing, isn't it? Did you like these products as much as I do? If you do, now you have a chance to win this entire collection. All you need to do is follow some simple rules. The main thing is subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a red button down here, hit it right away. Now the next step is follow me on Instagram, which is Swati Verma. Another third step is follow SHOPAAREL on Instagram. Their Insta handle is written here. The next step is follow me on TikTok, which is Swati Verma Official. I have recently joined TikTok and I really need your support, guys. And once you're done with all these steps, all you're gonna do is come back here and comment here below saying done with all the steps, and you can be one of the lucky winners.
And if you want to buy these products, you can simply go to their website, which is shopaarel.com, and they have worldwide shipping. I've also mentioned the link below. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. It means a lot. I love you all so much. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment below, of course. Well, now wait for my next video and I'm gonna surprise you again. Mwah.